Today's organizations need to scale to stay on brand, and the foundational element to do that is to create a brand kit or style guide. Doing this starts with Creative Cloud libraries, where you can easily manage, organize, and keep all of your latest and greatest creative elements at your fingertips. Repeated assets, colors, and graphics that keep the business on brand are all here and stay up to date, providing a centralized location for templates. Updates to a Creative Cloud library are reflected right away in other Creative Cloud apps like Adobe Express. In this scenario, Jamont is a large holding company for several consumer brands. Jamont wants to ensure that each of its companies, which includes cleaning, pet, and baby product brands, they want to ensure each maintains consistent and individual brands across its portfolio. To do this, they start by building a Creative Cloud library for each company. I'll demonstrate now with one. To create a new Creative Cloud library from your desktop app, go to Files, and then click New Library. Give it a name, and begin adding your assets by uploading them or dragging one or multiple files. Adding groups of assets is also possible. This is how design teams can establish brand standards that the rest of the organization can leverage. To share a library, click that button shown here in the top right. You'll have the option to add an email address of the person you'd like to share the library with. Back in Adobe Express, we can view our libraries by selecting Your Stuff and then Brands and Libraries to choose the library you want to open. Inviting someone to co-edit your project is simple. Click the Share button and invite them with their email address, and choose whether or not you'd like them to have permission to edit your design or comment on your design, which is perfect for reviews and approvals. Libraries aren't the only thing that you can share. You can also collaborate or share individual projects in Express. You can also invite someone to the project by providing them a link that you can copy here. If you choose Edit, you can both collaborate on the design in real time and create faster. You can also make your design a template. Select the icon with 3 dots and choose Make a Template. Give your template a name, a note is optional, and a good spot to provide directions or instructions for your team to remix the template. And you can save it to a brand or library. When you're ready, click Save Template. It's easy to create a design from a template in a library. Click the template and then select Start a New File. That will create a new project from your template, which you can easily share or download. Finally, template locking enables you to lock specific elements of a template to enforce brand guardrails, allowing users to edit other parts of the design. As you can see, libraries are the easiest way to manage, organize, and keep the latest creative elements accessible across the organization from any app, including Adobe Express.